Today, we're diving into HuMo AI, a human-centric AI video generator powered by ByteDance technology. We'll break down pricing, free trials, what you can do with the cheapest subscription, user reviews, and exactly who's behind the platform. HuMo AI uses a credit-based model rather than a monthly subscription. The basic plan costs $9.91 one time and gives you 100 credits. Higher packs like Advance $29.90, Pro $59.90, and Premium $89.90 include more credits and faster generation speed. This is not a recurring subscription, it's a one-time purchase per pack. Currently, there is no traditional free trial with significant usable credits listed publicly. The official terms of service say there is a free tier with limited usage, but exact limits aren't clearly published. With 100 credits from the basic plan, you can generate a handful of short AI videos. Each video generation deducts credits depending on length and quality. HumoAI supports text-to-video, text plus image-to-video, and text plus image plus audio-to-video modules, enabling lip-sync talking clips from photos. This is great for short intros, social media clips, or experimenting with AI-generated visuals, but not enough for long-form content unless you buy more credits. HuMo itself doesn't yet have many trust reviews online. It's a newer platform. Scam Advisor notes the site is very young but likely legit, with safe encryption, though low traffic so far. No verified Reddit threads specifically about HumoAI pricing or experience are currently active. That means community feedback on HumoAI is still limited, so treat early impressions with caution. The HumoAI technology is developed by ByteDance, a major Chinese internet technology company known for TikTok, CapCut, and AI research projects. In summary, HumoAI has promising tech behind it, but pricing transparency and free trial details are still unclear. If you are testing AI video tools, try the cheapest pack first and judge quality before buying more credits. Let me know in the comments if you use HumoAI, and remember to subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns.